Hello everyone. The next tutorial we'll be working on is the hammer impact. This is something that you all chose, so it will big thanks to subscribers on 1mafx.com and patrons who voted for it. This will be two-part journey, so lots to look forward to. And we'll begin with the cloth simulation setup for the character. Then we're gonna move on into the animation montage to create our animation sequence. And the first bit of our journey might be a bit technical, and we'll be using blueprints to bring everything together and create sequence that you can control with your keyboard input. And afterwards we will add the blockout VFX systems, which will enhance once we are satisfied with the timing. And to wrap up part one, we will add some refraction to some of the effects and a subtle screen shake for final details. In the second part next month, we will dive deeper into the VFX, exploring things like impacts and creating burn decals using blueprints. We will also spend some time refining our effects and adding the timing to all those systems. If you're interested in texture tutorials in Substance, I'll be sharing those for free on YouTube. If you're a subscriber to the free newsletter on Gumroad, you can get early access to all those texture tutorials. And if you're keen to keep going after Substance, you can just join on tier 1 at 1mafx.com and create the effect with me from scratch. You will also get access to our existing tutorials and a beginner course on Substance and Unreal Engine. And for those who prefer Patreon, you can find these resources on Patreon tier 2. Okay, so that's everything for tier 1 on 1mafx.com. Thanks everyone for your support, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial.